Good day, ma'am. My name is Gerald Ating, and the part of my topic is at the section 8, the reward. Any person who voluntarily gives information leading to the recovery or confiscation and of an unregistered censo and to be conviction of persons charged thereof shall be entitled a reward equivalent to 20% of the value of the census units. The department is authorized to include it in the budget the amount necessary to carry out the purpose of the section. Sa section 8 naglaong nga din na sa bisan sino kuno na tao na maboluntaryo na magtugan or maghatag ng information leading sa pagka-confiscate o pagkadakop sa unregistered censo is tagaan ng reward. Ang reward is 20% sa price ng censo. Ang department maghatag ng authorized include sa budget ng amount na ihatag sa purpose ng ini na section. So, section 29, authority of the secretary. To effectively implement the provision of this act, the secretary shall issue implementing rules and regulation within 90 days upon approval of this act. So, para kuno ma-effective ini na pag-implement na act, ang secretary kuno mag-issue or mag-implement ng rules o batas within 90 days within the gikan sa pag-approve na niya una act. He shall likewise organize of an office within department to ensure the requirements imposed by the act may be complied with by the qualified person. O dapat kuno siya mag-organize ko siya ng office or department na diin mag-ensure na ang requirement na ayo na ini act is ma-complied na bisan sino na tao na mag-apply na ini within the shortest possible time at least possible expense sa lalong madaling panahon kuno para mas madali. So the section 10, revocation of the registration and permit. The secretary may revoke any certificate of registration to permit previously issued to this person from found violating provisions of this act and the rules of regulation issued to pursuant thereof. So, i-revoke kuno ng secretary ang certificate of registration or permit sa tahatag na person na kita na nag-violate sa una act or yaoy violation niya yaw na act. Section 11, Joint Congress Oversight Committee. The monitor of and oversee implementation of this act include the approval of the rule and regulation issued pursuant hereto. There is hereby created Joint Congress Oversight Committee to be composed of the chairpersons of the Senate Committee and Natural Resources of the House Committee and the Natural Resources as chairperson and chairpersons of at least 5 members of the Senate and the House Representative who shall be designated the Senate President and the Speaker of House Representative as the members. So, ang Joint Congress Oversight kuno para ma-approve ini na batas is composed ng chairperson, the Senate Committee, Natural Resources of the House Committee, and Natural Resources chairperson of the tapos ang members na is composed ng 5 ka-members. The Senate President, Speaker, House Representative members provide that 2 of the 5 Senate and the 2 of the 5 House members shall nominated by the representative monetary leaders of the Senate and the House Representative. Tapos sa 5 kuno magpili sila duha ka buok na ila i-represent by the respective monetary leaders of the Senate House of Representative. Sa section 12, transitory provision. In the interim While the department is formulating and implementing rules and regulation to effectively carry out the provision of this act, the Bureau of Customs is prohibited from approving the census information importation without clearance from the said department. O, ini ko na department is nag-formulate and nag-implement ng rules and batas na ang pagdala ko noon ininaak ang Bureau of Customs is bawal na ay sila maghatag ng approval sa bisan sino na yon mag-import ng chinso without clearance na taghatag na inina batas. That's all.